What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're going to show you how to sanitize your water tank on this Cedar Creek model, which is made by Forest River. All right, and this is what we're using for bleach here. We're not going to use a splashless bleach. We're going to use this because it's a better free-flowing product that should flow right into the system. Splashless is a little bit thicker, so we're going to use this regular bleach. The ratio for the bleach is 50 to 1. So for every 50 gallons, you're going to want to use 1 cup of bleach. So all we need is 1 cup of bleach for this job. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting it into this right here where it says city water. We're going to be using this inlet right here to feed the bleach in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to actually hook this up to the water source, fill that tank up, get the water flowing through the system. We're going to let that sit for 8 hours, and then we're going to flush it out. All right, so here are some of the products that I'll be using for this particular job here. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description for all of these. So I'm going to be using this inline water filter. I'm also going to use this sediment pre-filter as well. And then we've got this trusty little cheap set here. You can pick up one of these at your local Dollar Tree for $1.25. And we're going to be using the cup measurement for this to pour this in. So you can see the different configurations here on my model. I'm going to actually be turning it to the power fill setup. So we want to make sure that this is turned down, that's to the left, this is up, and this is down. All right, so I've got here a 100-foot hose. This is specifically for the RV. What we're going to do is we're going to hook this up to the port, and we're going to run it to the water source. We're going to pour our bleach from there, hook up the water, and flush the water this way. So since this is our side that plugs in here, we're going to leave this on this side. We're going to go ahead and take the coupler and get that out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this coupler, we're going to put it here on this side. So we're going to take this piece and couple it to here. All right, so with that in place, I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of this. We're going to go down on the end. We're going to pour our bleach in from that side. And then we're going to hook up our filter here. This is the inline filter. We also have this, which is our sediment pre-filter. So the way this is going to work, we're going to hook this into the source coming in. And from that source, we're going to screw that in. This is actually going to go on the top portion of here, in which we're going to screw this down like so. So we're getting this set up here. So the water is going to be coming in through here. And then it's going to be going out here, in which we're going to connect this end into the hose, and we'll get our filtration flowing all the way through into the RV. All right, so here's where we're going to be pouring in our bleach right here at this point to flow through the hose into the RV. So we're going to go ahead, pour this in. Nice and easy. And since it is a cup of bleach, you may have to hold your hose up to get the rest in. All right, so after we have our bleach in our line, we're going to go ahead and screw this onto the filter here. Get that nice and snug. All right, so our setup is coming from our water source in through the sediment pre-filter, in through the filter, and into the RV. So let's get that tank filled up. All right, so here we can see the fresh water tank is at 33%, so we got a little bit ways to go. So now with our water filled to 100%, we're gonna go ahead, shut off our water line, and head back to the RV. All right, you can see there a little bit of water coming out. That's the overfill flow, so we know we're at 100%. All right, now that we're good, we're gonna switch this to dry camping mode so we can get the water from the tank to the pump in through the lines for the sanitation process. All right, so now that we're good with everything, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna switch to dry camping mode here. So this is down, this is gonna be up, that's up, this is to the side. So now we're good there. Water should be flowing all through the system via the pump, and then we're gonna go inside and turn on the lines. All right, so there you can see our fresh water is at 100%. So now you can come to your faucet, turn it on, Run it until you smell the bleach and all the faucets. Turn it off. Let it sit for about 8 hours. Then you can flush out the system and you are ready to rock and roll. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.